Okay, I already calibrated it. That's down and in for the calibration. Let's take off. Try to trim it. Earlier today was windy as all get out, but it seems to have died down a little bit. Yeah, I remember those big lumbering flips. It still does those, so. But at least they work. Okay, let's check out some punch-out speed in the high rate. No, it's not that good. Let's check it out in the low rate. I notice a lot of these there's no difference or very little difference in the speed of the punch out in the rates. It seems the same. Seems exactly the same. So I don't think there's any difference in that. That's the first rate here we're flying in. Just kind of moseys on there. We'll kick it up a little bit. Now we'll kick it up. Oh, you see the pitch difference on the third rate. First and second rate seem pretty even. Once you kick it up to the third rate is when you start getting a performance boost. That's when it starts to really pitch. Yeah, no doubt. Yes, no doubt. Absolutely. Third rate's what you want for this thing, okay? Third rate, that's it. Just keep it in there. Unless you're in the house, then you can put it in the first rate to zoom around in the house a little bit. So far the video's been going for 5 minutes and 22 seconds. Now it doesn't have any telemetry on here, so I have actually no idea how high I am. You know, it's not a GPS drone or anything like that. I'm basically just concerned about the battery. The battery life was not that good on the first on the first model. I think I did two flights with it. And we'll have to see how the video is going to look, but that's probably going to look pretty much the same. You know, it's your standard toy quadcopter video, which is, it is what it is, you know. But I'm just going to sit here and ride this battery out. Just fly it around here in circles until the battery runs dead. It flies nice. It seems like it actually flies nicer than the first one did also. So I don't think I'll have to watch back my video, and if there's any differences in there, I'll just put them in the little text pop-ups. Yeah, it's definitely improved over the other one, no doubt. Yeah, because I'm already at 8 minutes and 23 seconds of the video, okay? So it's definitely better. Yeah, this is a lot better than the first one, no doubt. No doubt. Alright, I'm going to cut the video so I don't lose it. I just made 9 minutes on video. Okay, so I'll put the flight time in there also. So this is way better than the first one. Oh, there's the lights that are... Okay, I did it just in the nick of time. Actually, I killed the video right in the nick of time, guys. So it ran for about 9 minutes. Alright, guys, you have a nice day.